Have you ever found yourself scrolling through your streaming platform, only to realize you've watched all the interesting TV shows on there?
I'm tired of this, Grandpa!
That's too damn bad! You keep digging!
Are you wondering how to watch TV shows from other countries? If you're looking for new TV series and movies to watch, you're in the right place. Hi, and welcome to Align Tutorials. Today we're diving into a simple TV hack that will open up a whole world of entertainment for you. With this simple method, you'll discover how to teleport yourself to another country's streaming library. You'll even gain access to exclusive TV shows that you never knew existed. What if I told you there's a secret way to access TV shows from other countries?
Yeah, baby!
As easy as 1, 2, 3. No, we're not talking about some shady streaming or download site. This method is 100% legit and safe. You can also use this method to watch TV series and movies that are not available in your country. All you need is a little tech wizardry and a sprinkle of VPN magic. Get ready to say goodbye to those dreaded geo restrictions and hello to a buffet of TV shows and movies. Okay, let's get started. Go over to the NordVPN website. The link to the website is in the description box of this video. Make sure to download the Rakuten extension for Chrome or Firefox in order to save money and get cashback. The cashback percentage varies, but for today, it's 70%. Link to Rakuten is also in the description box of this video. On the NordVPN site, it's going to give you all the information on how everything works. As you can see, NordVPN is available on all these devices, both desktop and mobile. Click on the button on the top right-hand side that says Get NordVPN. You're going to see all the plans offered. I just went with the complete yearly plan, but you can choose 2 years or even go month to month. The 2-year plan makes the biggest difference if you choose the ultimate plan. With the complete plan, there's not that big of a difference whether you do 2 years or 1 year. You also get a 30-day money-back guarantee. Feel free to read through all the benefits of each plan. Again, the complete plan is good enough. After you go through the registration process, you're going to see this screen that says, Welcome, let's get you started. Click on the Download App button and scan the QR code to get NordVPN on your phone or tablet. Go through the installation process and download NordVPN. If you're enjoying the video so far, make sure to hit that like button and the notification bell, so you won't miss any of our upcoming tutorials and content. Once you've downloaded NordVPN, the application is going to show up on your computer. This interface should come up. You're going to see various countries listed on there. For today's video, we're going to select the UK. For the purpose of this video, there's an interesting show that I've seen clips of here on YouTube. But since I live in Canada, I was never able to find full episodes of this show anywhere. Eating with My Ex is the name of the TV show I'm talking about.
What made you cheat?
This is how you can watch this show, or other TV shows, even if you live outside of the UK. Okay, so right away you're going to see that the BBC iPlayer only works within the UK. This doesn't apply to us because we're going to find a way around this. Let's go. On the top right-hand side, search for the TV show you want to watch. Click the play button on the episode you've selected. Since you're not registered yet, click the register button. Go through the registration process and put in your date of birth. Put in your email and password, etc. Make sure you select the United Kingdom as your country. For the postal code, just put in any UK postal code or type in E17AA. You're going to be asked if you've got a TV license. First of all, what's that? Just click, I have a TV license, and keep it moving. Just like that, you can start watching your TV show. There are so many shows you can watch on the BBC iPlayer, all genres. Just see for yourself. This Is Going to Hurt is another really good TV show. You can also watch some really good Irish TV shows on the RTE player. The choice is yours. Use your VPN and discover more movies and TV shows. What are your top 5 favorite TV series that you're watching this year? My top shows right now are Bad Sisters, Yellowstone, Kin, Top Boy, and The Bear. Thanks for watching, and please like the video if you found the information useful.